Hello everyone, and welcome to TopTips 247. Put the orange peel into a plastic bottle. I didn't expect it to work so well. You can save hundreds a year, and our health is better. Hurry up and follow the video to find out. Entering autumn and winter. Lots of cheap and delicious fruits are on the market in large quantities. Like an orange, you can buy 3 or 4 caddies for about 10 yuan, fresh, cheap, and delicious. How do you sell them there? And like an orange, it can replenish both water and vitamin C. After eating oranges, leftover orange peel, did you just throw it away? That would be a shame. Orange peel is a treasure. Today, I will teach you how to turn waste into treasure. Many friends say they like to eat oranges, but I just don't like peeling. Here's a peeling tip for you, by the way. Let's first remove the ends of the orange. Be careful not to cut too much pulp. Then we take a spoon. Use a spoon to poke in between the peel and pulp. Separate the pulp from the peel vigorously. Just turn around like this. Just rub it all open, Grandma. Then switch to the other end. Separate it in the same way. Now, make an opening in the middle of the peel with a knife. Break through the incision. This way we can get the complete pulp and peel. How is it? Wrap the peel in a spoon. Not only fast, but also maintains the integrity of the oranges. Don't worry about the orange juice coming out at all. Get your hands dirty. Now put the peel into a large bowl. Add more water. Let's wash the peel briefly. Add a pinch of salt. We scrub the peel again. Like this, the surface of the orange peel, how much? There will be some fruit wax or agricultural residues. So what about before use? We need to scrub it with salt. This can also put oranges. What about the bacteria on the skin? It's been cleaned? What about after scrubbing? Just rinse it off with water. After that, we can just cut it. There's no need for a second wash. We cut the orange peel into 4 pieces, then cut it into dilutions. The older generation says throwing orange peels is equivalent to throwing money. A lot of people don't understand that. In fact, there are really too many wonderful uses of orange peel. In addition to being used as a tool, it can also be used to make food. Like motion sickness while riding, take a piece of fresh orange peel and fold it in half. Align the nostrils. Squeeze with your fingers. What about the orange peel? It will spew oil. Squeeze and inhale at any time after getting on the bus. It can effectively prevent motion sickness. What about the same method? It can also solve the problem of the game. Now we will prepare 2 more plastic bottles. What if it is the plastic bottle left over from the drink? Just use water. Rinse off the residual juice inside. Just don't let him leave any other odors. Or maybe, do you have any other containers that can be sealed? It can also work. We put the orange peel into the bottle. When we are installing, we don't need to install too slowly. Just put it halfway through the bottle. At this time, take out the ones that are often used at home. Edible baking soda. It is generally used to make face. What about the baking soda used to send steamed buns? The main ingredient of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate and a little sodium citrate, and they're both alkaline. It can clean and remove oil stains well. We use a spoon, take a spoonful, and put it into the bottle. As for the rose bottle, just put 1 or 2 spoonfuls. Then pour in water. Note that 1/3 of the bottle mouth is reserved, because it's going to ferment later. A lot of gas is produced. If the water volume is too full, the bottle will easily burst. We have to reserve a certain fermentation space. Just close the lid, and that's it. Next, we're going to take the bottle and shake it. Let the water, orange peel, and baking soda fully integrate. Now put it in a cool place at home. Be careful not to put it on the balcony. Also avoid direct sunlight. Fermentation for 3 days. During fermentation, it is best to unscrew the bottle cap every day. Release the gas inside. Pay attention to keep away from the mouth and nose when opening the lid, because the smell will be a little pungent. Then screw it back in and continue to ferment. Making videos is not easy. Your every message and every like, follow, it's what keeps me going. If you think my video is helpful to you, please give me a like. Thank you for your support. After 3 days, the orange sparkling water will be fermented. Have a look. The liquid inside has turned dark yellow. So, what is the use of the finished orange sparkling water? We can use it as a detergent. Washing dishes is a housework that everyone has to do every day. I believe many people have a headache about cleaning. As usual, we say, all are cleaned with detergent. Detergent is harmful to the human body. Not only does it hurt your hands and stomach, it can also cause cancer. What about these topics? In the words of the older generation, it is passed down by word of mouth. There are even some chemical analyses, articles about the health hazards of dishwashing liquid, also sharing repeatedly people's doubts about dishwashing liquid, mainly because formaldehyde exceeds the standard. Where is formaldehyde in detergent? Used as a preservative. If the formaldehyde exceeds the standard, formaldehyde is likely to remain on tableware. Water stains enter the human body. Long-term intake affects human health. And it hurts my hands. Comparison between hands that have done housework for a year and hands that have not done housework, aged 20 years in an instant. And a bottle like this won't last long, no more, as long as you don't buy unqualified agents. Cutting products? What about detergents that meet national standards? It is available. So instead of worrying about this North Korea and that, why not try this solution we made? When washing dishes, squeeze a little into it. You can use a rag or just start. We scrubbed the bowl a few times. What about the grease and dirt inside? It was all cleaned up. Then we used some hot water. Just rinse the dishes. No detergent was used during the whole process. Look, there's no foam when we rinse. This proves that no detergent has been used. It's almost the same effect as dishwashing liquid. Even better. I didn't expect to use waste in a clever way. It's really fun. And the taste is fresh and fragrant, smells relaxing. The key is that you don't have to worry about the problem of residue, because they themselves, it is fermented from very healthy ingredients. Tangerine peel soda water. For washing baby dishes, it will be safer and more reassuring. Moreover, orange peels are very useful for cleaning oil stains on props. It also has special effects. In addition to washing dishes, tangerine peel soda water can also be used to clean iron pots, steamer or range hood, etc. We can also filter out the solution, pour it into a spray bottle. Then tighten the lid and you can use it. Then we can spray directly on where the range hood needs to be cleaned. The kitchen is the place with the heaviest grease, so every time I clean this place, it's a headache, especially the range hood, stove, stool. After wetting, let it sit for 10 minutes. It will be better to scrub. You can see the oil stains on it. There's a phenomenon of being dissolved. You can wipe it with a rag, wipe off the dissolved oil stains. If it is particularly oily, just add some tangerine peel and rub it together. The effects are very good. This is because of the sodium citrate in the orange peel. It also has the function of cleaning and absorbing oil stains. Plus, the cleaning power of baking soda, a powerful combination. So what about the range hood in our house? No matter how dirty or oily, just need a solution to make it. It became clean immediately. It is easy to disassemble and wash without much effort. Can be used as a ban. We can also use it to clean the windowsill. What about cabinets and other places that are easy to get dirty? This clean water does not contain any chemicals, no pungent smell. Instead, it will leave a light fragrance. It's really very good. according to the above method, made tangerine peel soda water. It is very good for cleaning. Better than detergent. The key is not to be pungent. Don't worry about residual problems. No oiliness at all after cleaning. And also, there is also a light orange peel fragrance. Natural and healthy. No hand injury. Cleaning ability is also very good. Don't throw away oranges when you eat them. Why don't you try this trick to turn waste into treasure? Alright, today's video content is finished. If my video was helpful to you, remember to like, forward, and share. I hope to help more friends. Click on my video avatar. You can also watch more food and life skills. Share different exciting videos every day. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you for your support. I am TopTips 247. See you next time. Oranges are brightly colored and sweet and sour. It is a delicious fruit that is popular in autumn and winter. Now is the season when most oranges are available in the market. I believe that many of my friends and relatives are almost tired of eating this dish. But what my friends don't know is the orange peels we throw away have many uses. I was also surprised to know how many orange peels have I wasted, so I thought of sharing it with everyone as soon as possible. Let's watch the video and see how I use it after watching. Don't waste it anymore. First, we peel the orange, then put it all in a big bowl. Then pour water into it. We all know that fruits and vegetables are definitely sprayed with pesticides, so there will be some pesticide residue on it. If you just wash it with water, it will be difficult to clean. Now we can add a spoon of salt to it. Stir to dissolve the salt, then soak it like this for about 10 minutes. Although it is said that salt can remove pesticide residues, but everyone should also pay attention. It is not true that the longer the soaking time, the more pesticide residues can be removed. It is not true that the longer the soaking time, the more pesticide residues can be removed. So our soaking time? Just keep it for about 10 minutes. Now wash each orange peel one by one. This way, the dirt on the orange peel will come off easily. And there is another advantage to using salt to soak it. We all know that the peel of this fruit tastes a bit bitter. If you soak it like this, the bitterness will fade away. Remember to place the orange peels face down like this so they can drain quickly. After washing the orange peel, we use a knife to cut the orange peel into thin strips, like this. We all know about tangerine peel. Its medicinal value is very high, and we can not only buy tangerine peel, but also make it ourselves. In fact, the most common tangerine peel is the dried orange peel. Now we are making it, it is advised to choose ripe peels. However, in traditional Oriental medicine, only orange peels over 3 years old are called tangerine peel. And it is believed that the older the tangerine peel, the more expensive it becomes. If we often dry the orange peel and eat it, it is very good if it is not dried or cured. It should not be used as medicine for everyone, because its medicinal value is not high. Be careful to cut into thin slices as evenly as possible. Be careful to cut into thin slices as evenly as possible. After cutting, we arrange on a plate and set aside. Now let's prepare some ginger. Ginger. It's best if we choose old ginger. I have prepared some ginger here. Now let's cut it into thin slices. There are several types of ginger, different types. Their spiciness is also different. The ginger in the video is very spicy. It's a local old ginger variety. There is also a high-yield ginger variety. It is a soft, long, and white sprout. This type does not have the spicy taste of ginger. There is also a type with moderate spiciness. So you can also choose the type of ginger according to your preference. After cutting, put it on a plate first. So we have prepared a plate of orange peel and a plate of ginger. Now put the pot on high heat and pour the orange peel into the pan. Then stir quickly. Don't be lazy during this process. Remember to stir frequently, Otherwise, after roasting, it will taste bitter and not delicious. The whole process takes about 10 to 11 minutes. We clearly feel that the water content of the orange peel in the pan has decreased. Now add the chopped ginger, then turn on medium heat and continue to stir fry because the orange peel has more water than the ginger. So we can't put it in the pan at the same time, otherwise it will look like the ginger has been fried and almost burnt. However, the orange peel still contains more water, so we have to get the moisture from the orange peel. Fry until almost dry, then add the shredded ginger. After about 10 minutes, the ginger and orange will be equally dry. We turn on the lowest heat and continue to stir fry. Many friends will ask, isn't it better to soak it directly in water? Why is it so troublesome to stir fry it over and over again? Because the volatile oil content in fresh orange peel is high. It is not suitable to drink it directly by soaking it in water. In addition, some pesticides and preservatives will remain on the surface of the orange aggregate. It is difficult to remove by washing and soaking regularly, so we need to stir fry it like this. About 16 minutes have passed since the low heat. Now, as we can see, the orange peel and shredded ginger have been roasted dry. Now we can turn off the heat. Then just put it in the pot and let it cool naturally. After it cools, we prepare a sealed jar. Then put the fried shredded ginger and orange peel into the sealed jar. We need to make sure that this sealed tank is free of water and oil. You can also steam it in advance with a steamer. We need to make sure that this sealed tank is free of water and oil. You can also steam it in advance with a steamer. So we can make a little more at a time. It will not be spoiled if you leave it for half a year. Each time we drink, we take a little and put it in the cup, then add a spoonful of brown sugar. If you like it sweeter, you can add more. Pour boiling water in and mix. Please do not use warm water directly to soak. Please do not use warm water directly to soak. Stir well until the water is warm and you can drink it directly. Our orange peel has the effect of reducing cough and phlegm. Ginger and brown sugar have a warming effect. It's so cold now. Let's drink a cup of orange peel and ginger tea like this. Your whole body will become warm. It's really an indispensable drink in winter. Drink a cup every day like this. No matter how cold it is in winter, it's not easy to catch a cold. In addition, brown sugar is sweet, not astringent, not bitter, very delicious. Children also like to drink it. It will be good and suitable for the whole family. If you like it, you can save it and do it. If my video is useful to you, please give me a like and share it with your relatives and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.